Yeah, so welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So somebody comment and saying why you're not uploading videos every day, So yeah, it just happened. We have different priorities. I've been busy on the real estate, So I've been selling some properties here in Bohol, some land. If you're looking for beach lot, if you're looking for farm lot, if you're looking for residential, just message me on my Facebook, Elizabeth Martin. So that's what I am. That's why Terence and I, we are not always uploading video because I have other priority. And your question, if you ask if it's really good income, there are times that it's good. There's also times that kind of, I just look at this way that it's kind of like a rain. If there's a rain, it's really a good income. If it's famine, then there's no income. But then, as what Terence always told me every time I said to Terence, I got a lot of buyers that doing the site viewing, but some of them just didn't, So Terence always pushed me to say, just continue. That's one thing that I love my husband. He's always been my support system of saying, just continue, just doing that, just love what you're doing. So yeah, it's been I enjoyed the real estate. It's because it's aligned on my job before. It's aligned on my what I studied about the marketing, what I studied about selling. So that's why it's kind of new energy that come up to me. That I wanted to do that. I wanted to have that goal. And of course, it's an on and off. It's an on and off that sometimes I feel like, rushing doing the sales, and then suddenly the sales come up, and then suddenly there's some other aspect, that it turns down again. So it's just part of sales, So that's why, if you're asking why is it we're not uploading a lot of videos every day, we just have other things that makes us busy. But of course, we always try. We make sure that to upload videos. We make sure to do some content, whatever we can do, because I admit, and Terence and I got long nails. We started on the blogging, and that's what I am grateful for that, because we have a lot. We got what we got because in the blog we meet people because of our blogs, and we're grateful for that on the journey of our blog. So that's why I don't want to set aside. I don't want to stop it, because it's been a huge help on our journey, on what we able to achieve. So it just happened that it makes me doing the real estate, doing some selling. It's another part of me that able to ignite. So if you're looking for properties, if you're looking for land, if you're looking for house here in Bohol, message me on my Facebook, Elizabeth Martin, and I will be happy to assist you. Of course, so if you're also looking for vacation here in Bohol in a couple of months, I would love, we're hoping to open up our bed and breakfast here. So we got already the bed, we got the beds, we got the water, we got the electricity already in our other building. So we hope to open that up so we could able to get our investment back. So that's the reasons why I'm working very hard also on making sales on the real estate, because whatever I got my commission, I put up there. So I started it last year. We got I got it last year, and I able to connect water on the other building. We're able to continue doing the spandrel. We're able to do the fence on the back area. We're able to finish the ceiling. We're able to do the garage. So that's the reasons why I am ignited to do it, because I got good there are some good days, you know, but of course it's the same with life. There are some good days, there's also some not good days, but the important is you continue pushing, because that's what life is all about. Just continue, because a winner, you will not be a winner if you quit. So have a great day. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye bye.